Good evening. Hundreds of nurses in Grand Blanc Township are ready to walk off the job in just 10 days after rejecting the latest contract offer from Henry Ford Health Genesys Hospital. ABC 12's Tanaya Jordan has our story.
Tensions are rising here at Henry Ford Health Genesys Hospital in Grand Blanc Township, where 93% of unionized nurses say they are prepared to strike for better pay, working conditions, and more.
The staffing in this hospital and the overgrid, as we call it for our nurses, is just, it's ballooned to a point of it's not safe.
Teamsters Union President Dan Glass says the hospital's last best offer did not include nurse-to-patient ratios that were in place long before Henry Ford took ownership last fall. However, Henry Ford Health says it's committed to safe nurse staffing models that provide the best quality of care for its patients and its communities. Glass says after 3 days of voting on the offer, his team overwhelmingly turned it down.
It was 614 no votes to 48 yes votes, right? You have to be able to allow our RNs to treat the patients they need to treat, the numbers they need to treat.
Henry Ford Health defended their latest contract offer as fair, based on terms provided at its other hospitals around the Detroit area. Glass says now that the offer has been rejected, the hospital has been notified that nurses are prepared to hit the picket line in 10 days.
Yes, the notice has been issued today for an effective at 7 a.m. on Labor Day.
A spokesperson for Henry Ford Health said in a statement on Thursday that if the Teamsters stage a strike, Henry Ford Genesys Hospital will remain open. All nurses will be given the opportunity to choose to work during the strike, and the hospital will be fully and safely staffed by team members and contracted nurses who will ensure seamless patient care while their nursing colleagues strike. Glass says the hospital has not indicated that negotiations are over. He says Teamsters are willing to go back to the table to reach an agreement.
I've seen nothing from Henry Ford that indicates that we're close enough to get anything done at this point. Again, we're always willing to negotiate. We will reach out to the employer and say, hey, we still have 10 days. Can we get together and try to get a resolve?
The hospital said they are hopeful that a strike can be avoided, but said they are taking the necessary steps to prepare. In Grand Blanc Township, Tanaya Jordan, ABC 12 News.